What I saw was that no one was thinking about what happens when you have 10 megabits, 100 megabits, a gigabit link, because things really change. The impact of loss and latency become far more severe as bandwidth goes up. And so what I saw is there was a need for a technology, WAN optimization technology, that could scale to large bandwidths, to hundreds of thousands of flows, to hundreds of locations. And there was no one doing that in 2004. One of the best ways to look at, or predict what's going to happen in the future is to go back a little bit and see what's happened in the last 5 years. Bandwidth has gotten cheaper, bandwidth's continuing to grow. The amount of data people are trying to transfer continues to go up. The number of ways that you can buy bandwidth has diversified. So you can buy private line, you can buy MPLS, you can buy VPNs over the internet. So there are a lot of different trade-offs between quality and cost. So I think looking forwards, we'll continue to see bandwidth get cheaper, and people's use for that bandwidth, the demand for bandwidth, continue to rise. And so what's important from the point of view of WAN optimization is solutions that will scale, solutions that will scale up in terms of bandwidth, scale up in terms of connection count. The number of applications and the type of applications that people are carrying on the network has evolved very quickly. So going back 5 years, file traffic, email traffic, file transfers, those were the main drivers of bandwidth requirements. Over the last few years, added into that mix has been a lot of disaster recovery, backup traffic, replication traffic, video conferencing, distance learning. All of these things are changing the demand on the network, and certainly placing a lot of stress on application-centric solutions that are optimized for particular applications. It's becoming more and more difficult to predict, what's going to be the most important application this year, next year.